Hi and welcome to my playhouse. And today my evil cousin is here. This is Jørgen, and Jørgen has brought something that he thought that I might find interesting. And it is slightly interesting. This is a converter from normal memory slots and to the one that are used in laptops. SODIMM 100 and what? So the ordinary RAM blocks are like 240 pins, and the SODIMMs here are about 204. We're not sure about that. It doesn't matter. But we have a little, it's a normal office machine. It's a Fujitsu. I don't get many Fujitsus here, so we're gonna try and see if we can get this up and running. So I have prepared a screen over here. So we're gonna put this somewhere nice. And we just wanna see it working, so because it doesn't have a hard drive. And I don't wanna mess with installing Windows on that. What do you think about these Fujitsu machines? Any comment? No. Okay, Jørgen's dog does not really like these machines. But we have cabled this up and we're gonna see if it works. It has a power on button right there, so let's see what happens. These are machines that are, well, oh, we have a screen already. F2, cool, already in BIOS. That was a quick boot. These are machines that are going out of business right now. This is a regular office machine. So we were just looking at the power supply. This is 250 watts. So with the CPU and the noise and so on, you wouldn't be able to put in a very powerful graphics card down here because there is just not wattage enough. If you're really lucky, you will get a graphics card that can use 250 watts. So we just wanted to make sure that this machine was actually working before we started doing stupid stuff to it. So system info, 8 gigabytes of memory. So we're gonna take those memory blocks out and we're gonna try and put in, I think I only have one block for these. So at least one of these, see what happens. Do you think they go in pairs? That might be a problem. Okay, we'll try at least. So, boy, this is noisy. We have removed the RAM that was in this. Well, I'm already trying to call this a server all the time in the machine. So we're gonna open one of these that Jørgen has just received from China, right? Probably been on the way for months. So we don't have to put anything in to make sure that they fit. Otherwise this is going to be a really short video. Okay, let's see. This should be RAM block number 1. Oh, it doesn't fit very well, but it does go down there. Okay, let's try and put some RAM in there. Focus. So I have this memory block here that has come out of a Lenovo laptop. So let's try and put that in. I don't know if I have to put in 2 memory blocks for this to work, but we're gonna try with 1 because I don't have that much of this memory. Okay, here goes nothing. Any beep codes? Oh, that was easy. Let's see if it works. Or if it just... Amazing! Or maybe, come. Did I miss the BIOS thing? It's very quiet now. And now it's not so quiet. Is that the splash screen that you have to? Yeah, okay. System information. It sees 4 gigabytes of memory in there. And it makes exactly as much noise as before. That's almost too easy, right? I didn't expect this to work at the first time. Oh, we have another one. We might as well try that as well. So here's the other one. It's a smaller block, but it's gonna be very curious to see if it will work. So we're gonna put that in and power this on. Okay, they're in there, and someone is well, has. Don't pull your tongue out when we're filming you. Oh. Booted it once again. Let's see if it sees all the memory. This is too easy. I was expecting just a little bit of resistance here.
But Morten, we've seen we've gone down in speed.
Yeah, the memory has gone down in frequency. The second RAM block that I put in was a lower frequency than the first one. So the first one was 1333 megahertz. The second one was only 1066 megahertz. And the two ordinary blocks, well, they're probably higher quality, but it's always the lowest memory frequency that decides the overall frequency, which makes good sense. Okay, so this machine apparently has a sensor file, so it's not really supposed to make that much of a noise, but well, we found that these works perfectly. So if you should happen to have these memory blocks from laptops, the SODIMMs laying around and not using for anything, well, for about 10 bucks each on Amazon, I will leave the links in the description. Well, you can replace blocks like this. Like this was a couple of 2s, and this is a 4, so this one replaces those two, kind of. And there might be some speed issues, but well, this one was pretty fast. This one was a bit slower. These ones also pretty fast. Yeah, this one is the best one. All of these are 1066 megahertz. But thank you very much for watching my videos. Do subscribe to my channel so that you can see me again. And have a really nice day. Bye bye.